Good morning, it is Saturday the 18th of June 2016 and it is 10 to 5 in the morning. Got water and stuff in here. Any respectable sat nav has to be turned on with Leatherman. I'm trying to turn my sat nav on. There we go.
Turn the sat nav on with a knife.
The button's gone. Oh fucking! It doesn't do L until you really press it, and then it comes up twice. Either way, it's going to put us in that GL1 postcode.
If we got the train, we'll have to worry about this.
No, but then we have to worry about
it. In first class, getting champagne.
You're in the back. That is first class.
That is where the important people sit, in the back.
And then you get people with it, like
the work who just sit in the front.
And we're like, right, we need to go because she is actually there. It's £8, but it's going to take us 6 hours to get there. All that sort of shit. And then you look across to your right, and you can see this. I had a tub of fucking Ben & Jerry's ice cream milkshake. So I'm just drinking ice cream and just scooping out the bits of chocolate brownie that were in there. Somebody's always thrown up in there and it stinks of death.
fucking gay. That's what something goes. Fucking gay. Fucking gay.
Anyway, so it is 7:47 in the morning on a Saturday. We've just driven like 3 hours, thinking that it was gonna take us a lot longer to get here.
Oh, fucking.
It hasn't.
Look at that space right in that fucking pillar.
Like, look at that crow.
That mad Saab.
Mad crow, that's a mad crow.
Wasabi next to us. JDM, goodness.
You sound like a rat.
So yeah, we're here super early. I am super hungry. We're gonna go to McDildo's and get some food.
You don't like McDonald's, though?
Not particularly, no. Is it only the breakfast menu right now?
Only the breakfast at the
So you don't do cheeseburgers right now? That's bad karma, man. Yeah. No cheeseburgers at this time in the morning.
What did I tell you?
It's the other way around.
It's just chin me on. The price of food in here is astronomical. It's here, toilets. There we go. Right at the bottom where it's
Okay,
best.
good. 8:20.
Cool.
Okay, you can.
Oh wow.
I've got literally the breakfast of kings. Let's go sit down somewhere. So I got some chicken to start the day off, because you gotta have your meat group. I'm going for a leak and I'm trusting these guys with my donut. I'll be right back. I'm totally going back to no donut, aren't I?
Title of that just said generic title. The title. Are you that ignorant? You're in the company of two greats right now. For fuck's sake.
Wait, put it back up. Right, now you can do it.
Have you guys seen Overwatch? Have you played Overwatch?
No.
No, but
Southwestern.
you're supposed to go.
Apparently we can't go over this crazy bridge. A little bit lost.
Right, okay.
This guy's just been for a piss down there, I think.
A piss? Fucking woman's watch out there as well.
Yeah. Smoking. You know what that means?
You want parking for the Airsoft show?
Yeah,
Lovely. Take the first right,
yeah.
and then you'll be a marshal down the far end to show you where to park.
Nice one.
Okay.
What are we going to do? What we're going to do? HSE legislation starts. So it's day one of the vlog. My name is Lee Morante, and this shirt is really a really bad colour. I'm really disappointed in the colour and the fading of the jacket or shirt.
It's vintage, mate.
Vintage, my name's Lee Morante. It's day two of the vlog. We've not managed to move due to these two gimps messing with cameras. Camera messing. My name is Lee Morante. This is day 5. Day 5 of the showcase, and as you can see, we're still messing with cameras. Yeah.
I'm just stood here.
Camera messing. And
Shining me little light at you.
no. So this is week 12. We've had no food or water for days.
Stop recording vertically.
Yeah, I hate that. Yeah, and we're hungry.
You're still doing it?
But now we're on the way to the showcase now. Yeah, so, yeah, cool. To the staff.
I've got a bloody Airsoft celebrity right here.
Oh yeah, what job to do?
Look at this, man.
Yeah.
Alright, man.
Hello.
Nice to meet you,
New
fella.
windows, new car.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I forgot my GoPro.
£8 each, love, please.
Thanks, lad.
You trillionaire.
There's 10 wing lights.
Joking me, I'll be lucky if I get about 10 a month out of it. I'll do it for the
Okay, my love.
Just drop it in there, just drop it in. Just drop it in there, you're fine. As low down as you can get it, see how, there you go, that height. Drop it from there. Aha. You see, you don't need to, you just turn it round. Not only have we got shotgun parameters, we've got 9 mils. So then we just do that. 9 mil. Do it again, like this. Oh, it says.
The price again, was it £64.95? Mad.
They look nice on the wall. This has to happen.
Oh my god.
OMG. You've ruined it now, because you've missed the initial reaction, which was pretty much jizz in her pants. Come on.
No. It's Magaz. Yeah, Magaz. YouTube.com/.
It's be ready.
Magaz. The eBay dude's thing, and he was like that. He got the note in hand, and he looked at me, and I was like, "Are you gonna do it?" And he's like, "No." Yeah, we should run our own bar.
I ran a bar for years. It is not a cool idea. It starts off, it's like fucking great idea because you're in a bar and all your mates are there and you're getting paid to be there. Everybody's happy about being there, and then somebody throws up and you're like, somebody will clean it up, and you stand there for 5 minutes. You're like, oh, it's my bar. I've got to clean it up. So then, and then you think, fine, it's fine. You know, one person's thrown up. That's not too bad. I'll clean that up. And then you go into the bathroom. Somebody shit on the toilet seat, and you're like, God damn it, what is wrong with pissed people? And then somebody comes out going, oh, there's a situation in the girls' toilets. And you walk in, there's a guy asleep on one of the girls' toilets. You're going to deal with it. Ridiculous.
And he's probably a mate.
And he's probably a mate, yeah. Or, even better, somebody says, oh, there's somebody shagging in the girls' toilets. You walk in the girls' toilets and have a look over the door and say, excuse me, it's your mate's sister. And some random guy, and you're like, nice. Nice. Don't run a bar. The pen?
They're from the formal person.
Totally legit.
Totally legit.
Yeah. Oh, this sat nav is a dick. It's just brought us here. There's literally. Oh, that place looks cool.
Let's go for something.
Hi.
I didn't buy any weapon. I bought parts of a broom. That might go on me.
We're gonna come up to your house one time, and there's just gonna be that saw with a brush head stuck on the barrel, just in the corner. This is the fucking worst place for a zebra wanky bastard crossing ever. Right here, in the middle of town centre, and there's 1,600 people wanting to cross the bastard thing.
Fucking
pelican crossing.
Or a pelican.
Yeah.
You know there's different types of crossing?
Right.
Yeah. Puffin crossing. Pelican.
How legit is this route?
This guy's wheel is totally coming off.
36, that's a 30.
That wheel is jiggered. Just put a fucking dead battery in it. Well done, dickhead.
Quickly.
Go on, quickly.